For this exercise you're going to need 3 pencils. I've got a yellow one, a brown one and a standard HB pencil. Start off with a nice vertical line and then another horizontal line just to get your bearings on the page. Take a line off to the right at 30 degrees approximately and then another one off to the left again at 30 degrees. This sets us up for our isometric sketch. Go off to the end there, just to get my other vertical line on the other end of the piece of timber, and then using muscle memory I'm going to get a line that's parallel to the one on the bottom. I'm going to go off again to the left hand side. This time I'll turn the page around to make life a bit easier for myself. Then another vertical line there on the left hand side that's parallel to that one in the centre. I'm going to fill the box in at the back there, again using a muscle memory. Just make sure the lines are parallel. Spin the page around again to that last line at the back there that joins the box together. I've got a nice drawing there. I've not pressed too hard, and if I've got any mistakes to remove I can just use an eraser. Now you take your brown pencil and go around the outside of your drawing nice and carefully with a brown pencil. You can notice that I've got a nice sharp pencil there as well. And for this particular operation I'm using the end of the pencil rather than the side like we're going to later on. Add some grain lines now. Doesn't matter where these go, just feel free there to go where you want to. You've got a top grain on your top piece of timber, and then we're going to do some side grains on the side, and then on the end we're going to put an end grain as well. This bit here you're going to put the side grains on and they match up at the end there. Just go a bit freestyle on the side there. And now we want to join the end grain. This is where you see the end grain of the timber, the annual rings. Now I'm going to go over them a little bit harder with the brown pencil, just to give them a bit more definition. Go over the side grain. Remember, this is just a small block of timber. You can use this particular technique for any drawing you're doing. Now note I've moved from the point of the pencil to using the pencil more flat, and I'm just going to shade over the top of the piece of timber nice and carefully, not pressing too hard, to give it a brown shadow to the top of it. Do the same again to the side, using the edge of your pencil, not the point of the pencil. This is where it's important that you have a nice sharp pencil. And then I'm going to turn the page around and do the same again to the end grain piece of timber. Now I'm going to add a bit of yellow to the piece of timber, just the same as before, taking the edge of the pencil and shading the top, the side and also the end grain as well. Finishing off there the end grain with the yellow pencil. going to go over those lines a bit darker just on the end to give them a bit more definition, using the brown pencil, those annual rings. Put another one in there just because it was missing. And the last thing we're going to do is use the HB pencil just to darken up the side closest to us, just so that it looks a little bit like we've got a bit of a shadow there, the light's coming from the top left hand side. There you go, and that's job done.